Hi, I'm OldManFPV, named by the kids. Been doing this sport probably since 2016. I just want to share some information with you which is currently available off eBay at a very reasonable price. But it's TS100, which is obviously the older one now. You got the TS100 and the TS80. TS80 being the new one, so you can pick these up at a very reasonable price. I paid £44.75 for this with free postage. You currently get a BC2 tip and the B2 tip, which is the thinner one of the two, and a very nice quality. You get the TS100 Soldering iron, which I haven't started up yet. Still got the plastic on, which looks very nice. Very good quality and very cheap. See what else you get in the package. Obviously get the Allen key and a couple of spare screws for putting the tip in and out. Let's demonstrate that. So you'd undo here, presume. Yep. You undo that, place the tip in, push it in all the way, and then tighten the screw up. Now this, I believe it can be powered either by a power adapter 12 to 24 volts, or I'd probably use a 14 volt 4-cell battery, which would be ideal in the field really for your repairs on the quad. You also get some instructions of each different buttons and what the different parts are on it, and there's a link to the website where you can update the firmware. I hope this has helped some people out there who are looking for a very good portable soldering iron, very good quality, which is currently very cheap. Thank you and goodbye.